What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-107649-7. The inserted disk contains content, and that is different from the install data. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Let's go to the settings, and you must check your update. This application, you just put the disk in it, and sometimes it needs to update and sometimes you have a corrupted file in it, or your data is corrupted, your disk is corrupted, or sometimes you're having a different game, but you are put a disk is a different, so it's not going to work. And sometimes you're having a region problem, your disk is not going to work in some regions, so you check this in the regions also. And sometimes you're having a restriction, child account restrictions, so you just do this and fix this all settings. So that's how that simply you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.